Experience driving perfection in the 2016 Jeep Compass. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, and power windows. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.